As Commissioner of Labour, some members of Goa Forward had approached me with their grievances about the employment opportunities given to Goans in the industrial estate. Their basic contention was that since a lot of resources are given by the state government for the setting up of this industry, like concessional plots, other benefits are given, facilities are given, and then is it not necessary that the industries employ maximum number of Goans? They were quoting some examples of some industries which they feel are not adhering to the directions of 80%. They also wanted to know whether any statistics are available with the Labour Department about how many of the labour is of a particular Goan or non-Goan. And they also have asked some other queries also, which we will try to respond to them. So they are just given us the representation today. None of the industries, none of the departments, I think, will be collecting such type of data because it will be considered as differentiating data or as basically targeting certain community or local or something like that. So I don't think any data would be available as such. But I do remember when there were earlier a lot of subsidy schemes with the industry department and all. In that there was a condition that subsidy would be given only if there will be 80% or more employment to Goans. And at that time checkings were being done by the industry department to find out if they are fulfilling the condition. Only if they are fulfilling the condition, then their subsidies were being given. But now since there are not much of the subsidies are not on, so I don't think much monitoring is happening. But anyway, also it will be discriminatory also to collect such information. But whatever is available with us, we will provide them.
आम्ही आज गोवा फॉरवर्डाच्या वतीन एक निवेदन लेबर कमिशनर ताका दिल्लें आसा. प्रत्येक सरकार जे आयला त्या प्रत्येक सरकारान सदांच सांगला की ज्या इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट्स जावं बाकीच्यो ज्यो गोंय सरकार जंय सवलती दिता आनी जाका लागून फॅक्टरी उबी जातात, उद्योग उबी जातात, थंय 80% जागा वर्कफोर्स हो गोंयकारां खातीर रिजर्व करपा जाय म्हण. पूण दुर्दैवान खंयचीच एजन्सी ना गोंय सरकाराची की हें सगळें मॉनिटर करता की खरेंच 80% दिता का म्हण गोंयकारांक. आनी ताका लागूनच तुमी पळयतले आज कित्येक इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटी भितर ज्यांनी गोंय सरकाराची जमीन घेतला, उदक वापरतात, वीज वापरतात, रस्ते वापरतात, पूण थंय 20% ते 25% सुद्दां गोंयकारांक एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळना. सो गोवा फॉरवर्डान हो विशय घेतिल्लो आसा आनी हो विशय आमी लावन दवरतले. आज आमी हेका लेबर कमिशनराक सांगला की आमकां 15 दिसां भितर तांणी हो डेटा अवेलेबल करून दिवचो की गोंयकारांक हांगा जागो मेळटा का ना तो, नाजाल्यार मुखाल्लें कार्य आमी करतले. गोवा फॉरवर्ड ह्या विशयाचेर गोंय सरकाराक लूज सोडपाचें ना.